The first step to using your Inception Lighting rooftop system is to install the app. Go to your App Store. When it loads, we're going to search for Blueroots, Blueroots, no space in there, just Blueroots. We're going to see the bulb tree icon there. We're going to go ahead and install that app. That is the correct one. Go ahead and open the app. The first thing we have to do is allow it to use your location whenever you're using the app. And it will also prompt you to use Bluetooth. We have to allow that as well, or okay. From here, if you have an account, you may log in. If you do not have an account, which you won't if you're a new user, you'll hit sign up in the bottom right corner. Here, you will enter your email address, your password, and hit sign me up.